morning students. Today I am going to continue the chapter resources. In previous video I explained you about what is resource. All the materials are available in our surrounding which satisfy our need is known as resource. Then I explained you about how many types of resources are there. It is of three types, that is natural, human-made and human resources. Now today I will explain you natural resources that need development. That is, on the basis of development, natural resources are divided into two parts, that is actual resources and potential resources. Now, what is actual resources? These are resources which can be put to actual use as their quantity and quality have been properly assessed through detailed survey. Means those resources whose quantity and location are known are being used in present time is called actual resources. For an example, petroleum and natural gas, coal, dark soils of Deccan Plateau, iron ore deposits, etc. The development of an actual resource such as wood processing depends upon technology and the cost involved. Means which part can be developed effectively with available technology is called a reserve. So what is a reserve? The area of the actual resource which can be developed profitably with available technology is called a reserve. Now, what is potential resources? These are the resources which exist in a region and could be used in future but are not developed yet to their full potential. Means resources whose entire quantity may not be known and which are not being used at present time. For an example, mineral oil, uranium, high-speed wind, wind turbines, etc. Now next I will explain you the origin of the natural resources. Means classification of natural resources on the basis of origin. It is divided into two parts, abiotic natural resources and biotic natural resources. Now, what is abiotic natural resources? Resources means, abiotic resources means non-living resources. Example, land, water, air, etc. So, these are obtained from non-living or physical environment like land, water, air, rocks, or indirectly to satisfy our needs. Man uses them directly or indirectly in their life, like minerals are non-renewable while some of them like water and air are renewable. So resources which come from non-living sources are called abiotic. Such resources include land, water, air, minerals, gold, copper, iron, resources are not renewable, so excessive use can exhaust them. Their rate of formation is very slow. So these resources take a very long time to form. Now next, biotic natural resources means living beings. These are obtained from living organisms such as plants and animals. It includes forest products like grasses, herbs, crops, wild and domestic animals, bird, fish, etc. Biotic resources play an important role in satisfying our day-to-day needs. All the biotic resources have a capacity to reproduce and regenerate within a period of time. They are renewable resources. Biotic resources which come from living beings are called biotic resources. It includes the forest products like animals, birds, fish, etc. It includes fossil fuel like minerals, coal, petroleum, because these are formed from decayed organic matters. Beside it, also include environment components like atmosphere, hydrosphere, lithosphere and exosphere. Now, atmosphere, the air around us. What is hydrosphere? The accumulation of water in all its state, that is liquid, solid and gas. Lithosphere, thin crust between the mantle and the atmosphere. Exosphere, the set of all living organisms including vegetation and animals. Now you have to do exercises, that is fill in the blanks and true and false in your book.